6 easy stretching exercises that you can do at home to burn body fat. 1. The Camel. Place your hands on your lower back just above your buttocks. Inhale deeply and slowly arch your back, lifting your chest and head towards the ceiling. As you arch your back, try reaching your hands toward your heels. Lift your head, gazing upwards. Camel pose stretches the back, chest, shoulders, and hips, improving flexibility. It strengthens the core and promotes relaxation. Deep breathing during the pose can increase lung capacity, aid digestion, and reduces bloating. Perform 2 sets of 30 seconds daily for a month. 2. The Cobra. Lie on your stomach with your legs extended back. Place your palms flat on the floor underneath your shoulders. Inhale and lift your chest off the ground, keeping your hips pressed down. Keep your neck neutral and avoid straining it. The Cobra pose is excellent for stretching the chest, shoulders, and abdomen. It aids digestion and can help reduce belly fat by stimulating digestive organs. Perform 2 sets of 15 to 20 seconds daily for noticeable results. 3. The chair. Start by standing with your feet together or slightly apart. Imagine sitting down in a chair, but without actually using one. Lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Raise your arms overhead or out to the sides. Keep your back straight and your core engaged. Chair pose is a fantastic exercise for the lower body, strengthening the legs and hip muscles and shaping them effectively. It also targets the abs, obliques, shoulders, and back for improved strength and burning belly fat. This makes it a truly comprehensive workout for the entire body. Perform 3 sets of 25 to 30 seconds daily for best results. 4. The boat. Sit on the mat with knees bent. Lean back slightly, lifting your feet off the ground, legs extended, and reaching for your ankles or shins. Keep your back straight and core engaged. Release slowly, returning to the starting position. Boat pose is a valuable workout as it targets the core muscles, including the abs, obliques, and transverse abdominis, while stretching the hamstrings and engaging the legs at the same time, making it a full-body rewarding workout. Aim for 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds daily. 5. The Warrior. Stand tall with your feet together and your arms by your sides. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees and your left foot in slightly. Keep your left leg straight and your left heel on the floor. Extend your arms towards the sky, palms facing each other. Look straight ahead over your right hand. Regularly practicing warrior pose can significantly increase muscle mass in your legs, arms, and core. This increased muscle mass is metabolically active, meaning it burns more calories at rest compared to fat. So, the more muscle you build, the higher your resting metabolic rate will be. Aim to perform 3 sets of 30 to 40 seconds daily to reap these benefits. 6. The Bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Lift your hips off the ground. Interlace your fingers beneath your pelvis and press your arms into the floor to lift your hips higher. Keep your thighs and inner thighs parallel to each other. Bridge pose offers a variety of benefits. It makes the abdominal muscles stronger while enhancing the flexibility of the chest, shoulders, and hips. Additionally, it aids digestion by gently massaging the abdominal organs. This can help reduce bloating and contribute to a reduction in hip and core fat. Perform 2 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions daily. These carefully selected stretches target body fat and enhance your overall well-being. Commit to performing them 6 days a week for a month, and then return to the video to share your experience in the comments. Remember, consistency is key. Keep challenging yourself and don't give up. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.